Welcome back. Today we're making 5 fast, delicious recipes, each ready in just 15 minutes. No more sad microwave meals or takeout indecision. These dishes are for busy people who want real food, real quick. Grab your apron and sharpen your knives. Let's get cooking. First up, chicken stir-fry. My way, lightning fast. Thinly sliced chicken breast for quick cooking. Use pre-cut veggies like peppers, broccoli, and snap peas to save time. Wok hot, oil in, chicken sizzles. Don't crowd the pan. While it cooks, whisk together soy sauce, sesame oil, honey, ginger, and garlic for a fresh, simple sauce. Remove chicken. Stir-fry veggies until just tender. Return chicken. Pour over sauce. Toss to coat. Serve over rice or noodles. Sprinkle with sesame seeds and chili. 15 minutes, and you've got a stir-fry better than any takeaway. Fast, fresh, and full of flavor. That's how you do weeknight dinner. No fuss, just results. Ready for the next one? Let's go. Next, shrimp tacos. Quick, vibrant, and packed with flavor. Marinate peeled shrimp with olive oil, smoked paprika, cumin, chili, and lime. Sear shrimp in a hot pan, 1 to 2 minutes per side, just until pink. Warm tortillas while shrimp cooks. Toss together a simple slaw cabbage, carrot, lime, and salt. Assemble slaw, shrimp, avocado, cilantro, and a dollop of lime yogurt sauce. Squeeze fresh lime over the top. Every bite is spicy, creamy, and fresh. Dinner in 15 minutes. Taco night sorted. Let's keep moving. Got leftover rice? Make fried rice in a flash. Use cold, day-old rice for the best texture. Stir-fry garlic and ginger in hot oil. Add frozen peas and corn, then scramble in an egg. Add rice, break up clumps, and toss everything together. Season with soy sauce, a dash of dark soy, and finish with sesame oil and white pepper. Let it crisp a bit for extra flavor. Every grain should be separate and glossy. Taste, adjust, and serve hot. 15 minutes, zero waste, maximum flavor. That's smart cooking. Italian freshness in 15. Caprese pasta. Boil salted water. Cook pasta. In a bowl, combine halved cherry tomatoes, torn mozzarella, and basil. Dress with olive oil, balsamic, garlic, salt, and pepper. Add hot pasta straight from the pot. Don't drain completely. Toss gently. The heat melts the cheese and melds the flavors. Simple, elegant, and ready in no time. Perfect for a quick, impressive dinner. Fresh, vibrant, and satisfying. Bellissimo! Takeaway classic, made faster, beef and broccoli. Slice flank steak thin. Marinate with soy and cornstarch. Blanch broccoli for 1 minute, then shock in ice water. Sear beef in a hot wok, set aside. Stir-fry garlic and ginger, add beef broth, soy, oyster sauce, and a pinch of sugar. Thicken with cornstarch slurry. Return beef and broccoli, toss to coat in glossy sauce. Serve over rice. 15 minutes, and it's better than your local takeaway. Fast, flavorful, and satisfying. Dinner's done. That's 5 stunning, speedy dinners, each in 15 minutes. No more excuses. Get in the kitchen and try them. Comment below with your favorite or your own quick recipe. Like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more fast, delicious ideas. Let's inspire each other to cook better, even on busy nights. Thanks for watching. Now, get cooking.